The parents of some children who were allegedly beaten by teachers at the Robert Lightburn High School in Trinityville, St. Thomas, are expressing disappointment with the justice system. The incident, which reportedly took place on October 16, was the result of two 16-year-old male students disobeying orders to remove chairs following a Heritage Day concert. We have the details in this report.
It's understood that the boys removed some of the chairs, then refused to move anymore. Insults were then traded between the students and the teacher, after which the teacher allegedly got physical. It's also reported that after the students left the school, another teacher followed them and attacked them on a bus. The incident was reported to the police by the parents. The issue has since been brought to court, but the parents are also calling on the Ministry of Education to intervene.
Ministry of Education, we need you on board because we not hear anything at all. What is happening, I don't know what is going on. So we need some assistance from the JT and every source on board. We need assistance from them. We're disappointed. We need justice in my pitney.
There was further frustration when the parents were informed that the trial case had been delayed until November next year.
Mention date, and then trial date now. We are at next year, the 28th of November 2020, when it should not be. And up to now, the student had not get a chance to explain what take place, what transpire, or anything at all. Minister of Education, we're looking forward to see you.
It's understood that both boys were transferred to other schools and the accused teachers are still working at the institution. According to the school's chairman, Charles Stewart, the matter is presently before the board and a meeting regarding the disciplinary issue is scheduled for January. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.